Well, I'm making this video to show y'all that you don't need to buy these big old expensive welding carts to have a good cart that will work for what you need. I got this toolbox right here. I bought it at a swap meet for $40. It's a little beat up, you know. The Craftsman symbol is moving around, which I could fix that. The bottom drawer, the mounts for it were broken. That's okay. It gives me a nice big space to put my leads at for stick welding. You know, like I said, the drawer was a bit beat up. But, I mean, it works. It holds everything that I need for it. Still going through and adding stuff that I need. Yeah. You don't need all that big expensive stuff. I mean, strap the welder down with a piece of just plumbing strap. That way it holds it on there and I ain't got to worry about dropping my welder or anything. And it holds it nice and tight. Yeah, that's me shaking it. Ain't got to be pretty, it just has to work. I think it came out looking good. You know, and it kind of goes with my other toolbox over here that I keep all my mechanics tools in. Kind of got a recurring thing of getting used Craftsman stuff. But, yeah, you don't need no big old expensive box to do all that. Just need the bare essentials. I mean, I use that cart right there, that cart, and now that cart, and I've rebuilt plenty of vehicles. Like with everything I have, I was able to build stuff like that. But coming in future videos, we're gonna take some videos of me rebuilding my truck over here. And I've got a few ideas putting around, probably gonna convert it to 8-lug suspension and put a flatbed on it. That way I can have a welding rig, but for now, it's gonna stay like this. Well, I appreciate y'all watching my video, and hopefully in the future I'll be able to pop out some more good videos of y'all, some tutorials on welding and mechanics work, some engine work too. This is my 302 I'm putting in it. It's completely rebuilt. That's the one that came out of it. I mean, I could have rebuilt the engine that I pulled out of it, but I got that one right there, a fresh rebuild done on a swap meet up in Dallas for $150. You can't beat any of that stuff. But yeah, keep tuned and I'll keep popping out some more videos for y'all guys.